Take this and see what happens in your body. Vinegar and bicarbonate have traditionally been used in many ways for all kinds of health and beauty remedies. They are two products and foods effective, cheap and easy to get, so we should all have them at home. In addition to being used as household cleaners or to wash hair naturally, this article explains how this combination is a health remedy to prevent all kinds of diseases and maintain ideal weight. Amazing, right? Why do we combine vinegar with baking soda? This remedy gives us all the benefits of apple cider vinegar and baking soda, which we'll cite below. Baking soda and vinegar have opposite pH, that is alkaline and acid respectively, which allows us to drink this drink without harming us. In this way we get all the properties of the remedy without acidifying more our organism, which already has the pH altered generally because a poor diet or bad habits cause even more acidity. On the other hand, although many people consume baking soda to combat gastric acidity, that is not good either in the long run, as it can alter the naturally acidic pH of the stomach. We need the hydrochloric acid in the stomach to be balanced so that it can digest food well. Properties of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is an excellent medicinal food, able to purify our body and at the same time revitalize it, thanks to its abundant nutritional values. It contains vitamins and B, essential fatty acids, enzymes and multiple minerals, such as calcium, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, sulfur, zinc, iron or silicon, among many others. Most important properties. It helps us eliminate toxins thanks to its sulfur content and also acts directly on the liver, helping us to metabolize fats better. It prevents urinary tract infections and takes care of our kidneys, as it helps us keep our urinary tract and urine clean. It increases our metabolism and eliminates excess fat from our body, which helps us to lose weight.